From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Hey folks, good evening. Good stargazing conditions tonight. If you don't mind the cold, your telescope might need a little bit of a heater next to it because, we're going to be below freezing as we head through tonight and into tomorrow morning. But the clouds have moved out of here. We're going to be fairly clear over the next 12 hours. I really don't see any issues on that front. No pun intended. Speaking of fronts, though, I do think one's coming through tomorrow. But before that, we get some pretty nice conditions. We actually get some 50s back into the Tennessee Valley for our Sunday. And I think that's going to be not really the picture of what we see ahead of time. We're not going to be seeing those 50s stick around long, but it's kind of a sign of the times, right? We get warm air out of the south. There are systems coming through, and that's kind of what I'm talking about, right? Now, there's Sunday, wind out of the south and west at 10 miles an hour. Notice those 50s, then a front plows through. Next system coming through Monday, but to be honest with you, I think that's going to stay south. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Notice here, as we head through Monday, there's that system very much glancing below. We're going to be on the north side of it. It's pretty moisture starved. Don't think we're going to see much from it. I really do think that if we do see showers, it'll be one or two very isolated ones in North Alabama. Those will be in and out in a hurry. Most of us, if I'm honest with you, are probably going to stay dry for our Monday. High pressure takes over Tuesday, and then a very similar system to the Monday one comes through Wednesday. Notice here, coming down to the south through central portions of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. Again, not a huge deal. I think the rain chances are really decreasing with that one as well. In fact, I think if anything, the temperatures are the story, and we're going to stay about where we should be for this time of year, if not below average, back down to the 40s, maybe getting back up to the 50s towards the end of the weekend into next weekend, with a more active pattern taking back over in the big picture. Forecast lows for tonight, widespread below freezing, mid to upper 20s across the area, definitely frost territory, but again, nice day in store for us tomorrow. I think these warmer temperatures not going to stick around too long. That front moves through, but hey, we have some 50s to take advantage of for our Sunday, our last day, 2023. As we head into 2024, there's that first system. Very few showers Monday. Don't think that's going to be a big deal. Can't rule it out, so I'm not totally saying it's going to be completely dry there, but listen, I think most of us are going to be dry there on Monday. Wednesday, those shower chances look like they're decreasing as that system looks to take a similar track to this Monday one, which is to say off to our south. Then we have a dry end to our week, temperatures warming back up to the 50s, and then towards next weekend, the first weekend of 2024, watching that area for the possibility of another system that we've been keeping a close eye on. A lot's going to change in the week. It's always how models work, right? Whenever we're this far out, you just can't get too specific, but there are some pretty decent model agreements suggesting that time frame towards next weekend. We'll have another system. It looks like we're getting into this more active pattern here heading into January. Nevertheless, though, this week doesn't look too bad. And of course, tomorrow, to be honest with you, just looks downright decent, right? So I'll be back with you tomorrow morning for more. I'll give you the fresh update here from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. Stay safe and dry on this final Saturday of 2023. God bless.